Hello friends, today we are gonna cook a delicious Iranian stew called gheymeh. Ingredients: Number 1. Pieces of meat. Number 2. A cup of yellow split peas. Number 3. An onion. Number 4. 4 potatoes. Number 5. 4 limes. Number 6. Salt, pepper, turmeric, cinnamon as needed. Number 7. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Dice an onion. Sauté in oil until golden brown. Fry the meat with the onion. Add a cup of yellow split peas and keep on stirring. Then add turmeric, pepper, cinnamon as we needed. In the last step, stir tomato paste with meat and yellow split peas in oil so that the stew has a better color. Now we pour water and let it cook over medium-low heat.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours, add limes and salt. If we want the stew to be sour, we add 2 tablespoons of dried lime powder to it. Let it cook for another 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Slice the potatoes. After washing and drying them, fry them in oil. It's ready to eat. Pour the stew into a bowl and pour the French fries over it. Enjoy your meal.